normal blanket. Oh. Okay, so we have an extra blanket there. There is Mom's. Don't worry, I'm just folding these up. Oh, you wore those. Do you want me to put these away in the bin? Okay, these all get put away now into the hockey bin until we get that other, until we get the bookshelf for you. Yes, I'm wearing my Toronto hat backwards. Which one's this one? Oh, yes, this one's signed.
Here you go, Dad.
Okay, check on your dinner, sweetie.
I am.
Oh, look, these are clean.
I think
Oh,
it's
yeah.
done, Dad.
Chuck, take a piece out and try it. Oh, I got a hold of the guy. He's got more jerseys.
Yes, it's done.
He's got one that actually has the C on it for captain. So I'll get you, I'm get the that one. What is in here? Oh, the baseball glove.
What do
Shoot,
you
can you
need?
pick that stuff up, sweet pea?
I need your help.
Yes, Dad's gonna help you in a minute. Just give me a sec, okay? He's trying to do something.
So where do you want this right now?
That's clean stuff. That goes up here.
Dad wants me out.
Oh, here's your other pillowcases. Your Toronto pillowcases. Okay, that's all for dirty laundry. Garbage. That's laundry.